welcome to Miss Julie's Kitchen. Today, we are going to be making the most delicious snack. And guess what? This snack grows right here on Old MacDonald's farm. Now, I'm gonna have you guess what this snack might be. Let's see. It's a fruit. It's round. It starts with an ah sound. And it is juicy. Today, we are gonna be making apple snacks. Yum! Look at these delicious red apples. How amazing. Okay, let's count these. 1, 2, whoa, don't roll away from me. 3, 4, 5. 5 delicious red apples. Now, friends, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an apple and we're gonna take 2 slices of that apple and make it into a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let's get started. Are you ready? Now remember, anytime you're cooking at home, even with a child-safe knife, you need to be doing it with a grown-up. All right, let's do it. Cutting a slice. And sometimes when I make this, I like to sing my peanut butter and jelly song. Peanut, peanut butter and jelly. Peanut, peanut butter and jelly. First, I slice the apple. Look at that delicious apple slice. And then I slice another apple. Here we go. How many apple slices do we have? Yeah, you're right. We have 2 apple slices. Okay, and now we are going to take our peanut butter, and you could use peanut butter, you could use sunflower butter, you could even use cookie butter, and that sounds so delicious. Okay, now I'm going to move it around here. Let's see. Ooh, this looks so good. Yum! And now on my next slice, I am going to put jelly. And I know what you're thinking. Miss Julie, you're going to put the spoon from the peanut butter into the jelly? Yes, I am. Sometimes I do that. All right, and now we're going to mix this jelly up here. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, and now friends, the last thing we're gonna do is put this sandwich together. And now we have a peanut butter and jelly apple sandwich. How delicious. Should I take a bite? Okay. That is so good.
The cow says moo. 3, 4, shut the barn door. 5, 6, count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, line them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, the cow says moo. 3, 4, shut the barn door. 5, 6, count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, line them straight. 9, 10, a great big hen.
To the barn? Did you feed my turkeys? Did you get any eggs? Did you give them to your mama? Did you put them in bread? Did she give you some? Did my turkeys go? Which way did they 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 go? Can you help me find them? Come on, let's go. But first, when I say Shu Turkey, we're gonna run around like turkeys. Come on, let's go. Shu Turkey, shoo, shoo, Shu Turkey, shoo, shoo, Shu Turkey, shoo, shoo, Shu Turkey, shoo, shoo.
Oh no! Where did all the turkeys go?
Little boys, little girls, did you go to the barn? Did you feed my turkeys?
This is an uppercase T. Let's write it. I'll use the pencil and you use your finger to write in the air. Follow along. Down the tower and across the roof. Let's try that one more time. Down the tower and across the roof. Yay! We did it! We wrote an uppercase T. I had so much fun learning with you today. You are awesome. Ooh, and don't forget to hit subscribe right now. And make sure to search for Miss Julie's World anytime on YouTube, Spotify, or Apple Music. Thanks for learning with me.